another vlog. It's your friend John. How are you all? I believe you guys are fine. Love you guys. Guys, right now I'm in a place called Dalhousie, right? So behind me, as you can see that, beautiful church, right? That is the very old heritage church that we have here in Kolkata, right? It was made, probably the British made this for sure, right? And the name of the church is the St. Andrews, right? So in a place called Dalhousie. So basically, guys, I'm gonna take you guys, down that lane, and they have the cheapest, non-veg, thali, right? So let's go explore and talk to the people here. And yeah, of course, guys. And right now, guys, Kolkata is super hot. People are going crazy. And please do not forget to drink a lot of water, right? Because since it's so hot. So my friend is right there. Hey, buddy, say hi. Anyways, guys, please subscribe. Let's go explore this market. And yeah, subscribe. Let's go, guys. So here we are. So you see this, street stall here, and they have so many different varieties of, fishes here. So this is those. ये वाला कौन सा fish है?
Katla mach.
Katla mach. Guys, the name of this fish is katla mach. It's one of a type of fish that you get here in the street of Kolkata. Oh, in Kolkata, right? And this is a different fish. This is a different fish as well. This is chicken. This is chicken. That's chicken, right? So this serve the cheapest, non-veg thali here in the street of Kolkata. And you see this, these are the veg items down here, and they have egg right there, right? So they have some chips, right, and some potato. Oh, this is made with jackfruit, guys. Jackfruit curry. Look, and this is a mixed vegetable. They have, a carrots, potato, eggplant, and other vegetables as well. Now look, guys. This is the cheapest veg thali that you get here on the street of Kolkata, guys. That's chicken, guys. This is chicken as well, but the size of the chicken is smaller. But this one, it's a bit, bigger than this one, right? And they have, a few curries down this as well. And if you want to take this as parcel, that's how they parcel this in this, poly bag. Look, guys, it's crazy. So right now the time is, around 12:30 in the afternoon. So you don't see much crowd, but by 1 or 2, this place will be super crowded, guys, And by the way, guys, right now I'm in a place called Dalhousie, right? So if you walk down the lane here, they have all street foods down the lane here as well. Here is the same, okay? So this is how it is, guys. Look. And brother, which fish is this? Yellow konsa fish?
Tilapia.
Guys, the name of this fish is tilapia. That's the name of the fish. It's a Bengali name. That's how it is, guys. So I know people in Kolkata, they really love fish and sweets. So Kolkata is known for sweets, fish, and Howrah Bridge, right? And the yellow taxi for sure. And there are like many other things that Kolkata is famous for. It's not only fish and sweet.
পাঁপড় আর ধনেপাতা চাটনি
And guys, this fish curry is made with mustard, right? Mustard seed, like they grind that mustard seed because I think mustard is very good for your stomach. Cools down your stomach, right? And this is the rui, na bundu? Katla. The name of this fish is katla, guys. That's how it is, guys. And look, guys. Right now Kolkata is so hot, right? Just imagine this brothers, cooking this pot of rice And this brother here, is cooking this bread called chapati, okay? And it's so hot, guys. The weather is so hot, and this is just so hot. Salute to these brothers, they work really hard. Hello, bhaiya. You're fine? Okay, brother, cool. Tu bahut acha kaam kar raha hai. I told him you're doing a very good job, guys. That's the normal steamed rice. That's how it is. And the shop looks like this. Look, guys. And they have this white rice that they serve with this, delicious curries. And this is the lentil, right? It's called the dal. And they have the vegetables here. And that's the egg curry. And this is some sort of a, what's this? Oh, guys, this is, this one is made with fish egg. Fish egg pakora, right? And this is the green, sauce is made with coriander and lime and chili. That's how it is. Okay, brother, thank you for your time. You have a great day, okay?
Okay.
Bye bye, brother. Bye. Take care. Bye. Right, guys. So that was me, your friend John, trying to show you the cheapest non-veg thali that you get here in Kolkata street, right? I really hope you enjoyed the vlog. Please do not forget to smash that subscribe button. I will see you in my next vlog. Let's make memories, love, peace. See you soon, guys. Take care. Bye. See you soon.